Hi everyone, welcome to Joy's Knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for future notifications. In this video, we are going to talk about communication during early childhood years. Communication is fundamental to children's development. Children need to be able to understand and be understood. It is the foundation of relationships and is essential for learning, play, and social interaction. In early childhood, learning to communicate is key for children to interact with the persons in the world and to have their needs met. Language and communication develop with extraordinary speed during the early childhood years. What is early childhood years? The age group of 0 to 8 years is the age of early childhood. These years are not in the hands of special educators. However, the infant's cognition, language, and socialization has to be improved through early management programs. Providing children the basic education, that too at the early stage, is the responsibility of every parent, but the education should be appropriate to the child and to the environment in which the child lives. What are the main activities of early childhood years? Developing adaptations and accommodations for a child with special needs is a continuous process that involves each child's collaboration. Finding the child's abilities and the environment where the child will be spending time, expectations for the child's participation in that environment, creating adaptations and accommodations according to the needs should be the main activities of early childhood. Communication during early childhood years. Communication development for young children includes gaining the skills to understand and to express thoughts, feelings, and information. Understanding communication begins before birth and continues through life as a child hears, sees, and interprets information from other people. The expression of communication begins with head, eye, and body movements as well as through simple vocalizations and hand motions. Communication in preschool children. There are many ways to foster a child's speech and language skills. Providing a language-rich environment that includes talking, reading, and singing is beneficial. The communication tips included in this part provide additional ideas and language skills to promote speech specific to the child's age. Upcoming slide shows age, expected level of communication in the form of understanding and expression, suggestion for improving communication in the form of things to try and teach. If the child hasn't reached the milestones, please check for delay and take action. At the age of 0 to 6 months, in the understanding level, the child is soothed by calm, gentle voices. The child likes to cuddle and be held. The child responds to name. The child recognizes familiar faces and objects like spoon, bottle. The child smiles at self in mirror. The child follows moving objects with eye. In the expression level of communication, the child reaches for, holds and puts toy in mouth. The child smiles at people, enjoys babbling, laughs when happy, pouts, protests, complains, coos and squeals for attention, uses different cries when hungry, tired, or wet. In the part of things to try and teach, name objects that the baby touches or looks at, shake noise makers in front of the baby, then stop. See if baby asks for more by looking for it, reaching for it, or by imitating the action, then shake it again. Sing lots of songs or nursery rhymes. Pause in the middle of a song. Watch for the baby to ask for more. Finish singing the song. Play up and down games. Pick baby up high and say up, up, up. In the part of check for delay and action, if the child hasn't reached the milestone, a baby who's not looking towards a sound or is not startled by a sound, go to a family doctor and request a referral to an audiologist for a hearing assessment. A baby who does not smile or make sounds when awake. At the age of 6 to 12 months, in the understanding level, the child understands some words with hand movements like bye-bye and wave give me with open hand. The child follows simple commands, stand up, sit down, don't touch, like etc. And the child understands no. In the expression level of communication, the child imitates sounds you make. The child tries to say sounds and words. The child tries to sing. The child makes sounds while playing alone or with people. In the form of suggestion, the child should simple songs with actions like row, row, row your boat. Talk in short sentences. Want some milk? Take turns hiding behind your hands, a towel or blanket, then moving it away saying, where is mommy? Repeat correctly the phrases the child says, child, tu, adult, shoe, mummy's shoe. If the child hasn't reached the milestone, check for 2 or more ear infections. Always have a follow-up visit to make sure that the fluid in the ear is gone. Difficulty chewing foods, food or liquid coming out of the nose. At the age of 12 to 18 months, the child can follow simple instructions like show me, give me. The child can point to 3 body parts when asked. The child can understand more words than they can say. In the level of expression, the child can use at least 10 words or word attempts, mama or baba for ball. The child can say no. The child can ask for what they want using sounds or words. They can point to objects and say words. In the things to try and teach, take turns banging on pots and pans. Put objects in plastic containers, shake them, open and close them, take things out and put things in, add words like in, out, more and shake. Take turns putting on each other's shoes, boots and talk about too big or too small. My shoes, your boots. In check for delay and take action, a child who's not trying to talk, a child started to use words but stopped. At the age of 18 to 24 months, in the understanding level, the child searches with eyes when asked, where's mommy or daddy? The child understands more words than can say. The child points at body parts and familiar objects. The child points to pictures of familiar people and things when named. In the expression level, the child produces animal sounds, moo for cow. The child tries to say words that may not always be clear. The child combines 2 words into a phrase like more juice, hi daddy. The child uses some describing words like hot, cold, big and small. The child asks for what's that and where. The child uses words to show possession like mine, my toy. In things to try and teach, sing simple songs with actions. Use 2 to 4 words when talking. Hide objects under or behind pillows, blankets, furniture. Ask, where's the ball? Find the teddy. Take turns tickling, feeding and rocking dolls and teddy bears. Correctly repeat back what a child is trying to say. To check for delay and action, the child uses very few words or does not put words together. At the age of 24 to 30 months, in the understanding level, the child points to things described. Show me what goes on your feet. The child knows the difference between big versus little, hot versus cold, dirty versus clean, etc. The child understands that he refers to a boy and she refers to a girl. The child follows simple one-step directions. In the expression level of communication, the child answers yes or no, what, where questions. In things to try and teach, talk about opposites like wet, dry, tall, short, etc. Introduce the child to new words in everyday life. Talk about numbers and colors during daily activities. Read favorite books to a child over and over, encouraging the child to fill in the words to help feel the story. Make intentional mistakes your child will notice. Clearly say words and sentences the child says incorrectly, emphasizing sounds and words. In check for delay and take action, a child who prefers to play alone or doesn't seek adult attention, multiple ear infections, see a family doctor for a referral to an ear, nose and throat. A child acts frustrated when trying to talk, a child who does not listen well. At the age of 30 to 36 months, in the understanding level, the child can put a toy in, on and under when asked. The child follows two steps directions. The child understands one versus all. The child answers where and what. In the level of expression, the child says 3 or more words in a sentence. The child asks who, what, where and why questions. Adults can understand most of what the child is trying to say. The child can clearly make these sounds in words like P, B, M, N, W, T, D, H, Y and vowels A, E, I, O, U. In things to try and teach, describe things in sentences. Repeat what the child says using correct sounds and sentences. Play games together and take turns. Count things around you. Talk about how things are the same or different. Arrange times to play with other children of their age. Give the child lots of chances to choose. In check for delay and take action, periods of stuttering lasting longer than 3 months. This includes repeating sounds, parts of words or whole words and not being able to get a sound started. A child who rarely makes eye contact with anyone. A child who has difficulty playing with others. A child who avoids being with others. At the age of 36 to 48 months, in the understanding level, the child follows 3-step instructions. The child understands and remembers details about a story. The child can anticipate and tell you what do you think will happen next. In the expression level of communication, the child tells stories using words, including details in a logical sequence. The child understands and remembers details about a story told to them. The child can answer questions like, what do you think will happen next? The child says sentences of more or 4 words in length. The child can clearly make the sounds in words like K, G, F, S, Z, S, H. In things to try and teach, talk about what you and child are doing or interested in. Say clearly words and sentences the child has difficulty saying. Now let the child make up and tell stories using puppets you and your child make from socks or paper bags to act them out. Read to your child and ask them questions about the story. Play simple board or card games helping them to match and name colors or shapes. Count and follow directions. Give the child opportunities regularly to play with children of their own age. In check for delay and take action, if a child has a rough, raspy voice lasting longer than 1 month, ask your doctor for a referral to an ear, nose and throat doctor to check the child's vocal cords if the child is not clear in what he says. Each child is unique. Early years are formative. What happens during early childhood has profound consequences not only for their lives as adults but for society at large. Keep in mind that individual differences exist when it comes to the specific age at which infants and toddlers meet milestones. Thus, communication skills are vital not only for children's cognitive and conceptual development but also for their social, emotional, and cultural awareness and understanding. Thank you.